Interested in how I took this brown drab mirror to this glamorous silver mirror? Well, keep right on watching. I'll walk you through the process. So I had this beautiful mirror. It's big, you guys. I had it at the old house, and I was getting ready to go and like put it on offer up. And I was like, you know what? I got a space since I painted the dining room. I can't wait to show y'all that. I got a space that I want to put this mirror. So I'm going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. And then I'm going to try this matte metallic paint. They say you can use acrylic paint on faux leather or whatever. So I'm going to try this first because I do like the shimmer in it. But if it doesn't work out, I'll have to try the acrylic paint. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, you guys, this is Shelly, and I wanted to show you the first coat of my mirror that I'm taking from brown to matted metallic silver. This is just the first coat. I haven't made my way around yet, but I'm sure I'm going to be doing several coats. Again, this is the paint that I'm using from Michaels. I already had it here. Decor Art, American Deco Matte Metallic, and it's the shade of silver. And I want to say I used a 50% off coupon, so make sure that when you go, you use some sort of a coupon. And Michaels is still open, you guys. You can place an order online and they'll bring it to the curb to you if you have to have it. But I have plenty of supplies on hand. So this is going to be the first coat of several coats. And then I'll think about how I want to embellish it soon. So I got my assistant over there. But I'm using just a sponge, an old sponge, to just dab it. And I have poured some of the metallic paint onto a plate. And so I'll keep you posted as the coats dry, and then I'll show you the finished product, okay? Okay, you guys, this is Shelly. This is my first full coat of the matted metallic silver paint on the mirror. I'm really loving the shimmer of it. I can still see some of the brown and some of the black coming through, but this is still my first coat, so I'm not too worried about it. What I do like is that faux leather is drying really quickly, and so I won't have to take so long doing this. But yeah, I'm excited. And so, like I was saying, I really don't care a whole lot about too much brown and black coming through, because if you see on my dining room table, you'll see that the legs are brown. And you'll see that the granite has that tan and beige tones in it, and so does the hardwood floors. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the finished product. I'm all done with my mirror revamp. This mirror used to be brown, and now it's silver. I will link the paint that I used from Michaels to recreate this design. I embellished it with some backsplash that I cut into strips, and so I did that on the inner part of the mirror, and then I did it around the major edges of the mirror. And I'm just so loving how this turned out, you guys. Oh my God, I can't wait till my husband hangs it. But there's one detail that I do want you to see is I used faux wallpaper peel and stick to go around the edges of the mirror, just to give it some more texture and just to make it more creative and more glam. Also, when I started running low with these strips, I want you to see what I did, because one day you may have to improvise this way. I cut rhinestone strips that I already had here at home And I added them in between the middle, but only for the outer rim. You see that? So I was able to cover the entire center of the mirror as well as the inner circle, but I had to add more rhinestones here. And so isn't it lovely, Lord? I just love it. Oh my God. I just really feel proud of myself, like a sense of accomplishment. And I am so happy that I decided to use something that I already had at home. I already had it at home. It's all done. If you are interested in how I glued down the trim, I use E6000. E6000. And I really feel like when you use E6000, even though it takes longer to dry, it takes like 24 hours to cure, but it leaves a more cleaner finish to me than the hot glue and the super glue. So I know it's there to stay. Like you don't have to worry about it falling down. So here's the finished product. Again, here's a close up. Where you see wrinkles, those were there already because it is a mirror that looks like leather, and so those wrinkles were already there for character, so they were there before I started painting. Okay, alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed the video and the transformation, and I hope that it has inspired you to go and find something in your home and make it new. Have a great one.